Herewith we have pleasure in forwarding to you several mining market cuttings from this morning's papers, and we hope to add thereto within a day or two. Stop. The old mines have been strongly spotted in consequence of the announcement of the success of recent crushing operations, and as the labor costs are likely to be reduced shortly, there is no reason why the experiments should not be carried further. Stop. You will recollect that we warned you against your extreme hopefulness regarding the possibility of profit from the new workings, but you were sanguine to the point of recklessness. Stop. Irregularities in the directorship have come to light, and unfortunately, our pronouncement as to the mineralogical conditions has been amply justified. Stop. We shall send you a supplemental report later, and will keep you constantly advised of any changes in the situation. Stop.